Right now I'm getting this fucking goon pump on. Oh yeah, that shit is fucking gooting motherfucking titan right there. Got the left hand intake cam, and this is the right hand. These are all the same, right? Yeah. Thing. And these are Torque Solutions metal ones. Wow! Right hand exhaust over here. Same thing. Got the water pump on. And then here's the left hand exhaust. Put this one here. This one goes here, but I put that one on last, and then I need to put this on as well here. Here, I'll do this. I'll start to crank that soldier boy. Okay, that's on correctly. Timing mark, those two kissing. Timing mark, those two kissing. Timing mark, and timing mark. Wow, they're all fucking on. What the fuck? Boom, now it's tension and shit. That's the what the fuck I'm talking about. Now I got my fucking clear timing cover here from Roger Clark. Don't got anything getting in there. Yeah, this goes on the bottom. I had a feeling this one went on there too. Did I tighten this one too? There it is. Oh, nice and raring to go. We're getting there. Scissors, please. Alright, so I kind of I unwrapped them and I restarted because I feel like the way I was doing it was kind of dumb and wrong, and so now I'm doing it this other way, and I definitely think this is way better. It looks better and it's probably more effective too. Well, this is what it looks like all wrapped up now. I gotta cut this. Oh no, it just fell off. I only have a few ties, so I'm gonna might tie it here more. Here, etc. Bald spot. I think that's pretty good. I'll probably make a heat shield that goes down here. Something to cover this from melting. I think they make something for that. And then put reflective heat tape on it. Oil filter will go here nicely. I might plug this and plug that so the water doesn't have to run through here anymore.